see my board?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So
Yes,
you
sir.
understood that small exercise what we have done before this. You know how the things will look when we have different surfaces. Okay, now let's start with it. So we have this as a side view. Let's consider, because nothing is written what is top, what the bottom view, or any other, nothing is given. Okay, so just take it blindly and start with it. So if I draw this, okay, so if I have to extrude it, it will some sort of look like this. Okay, there is some misalignment, but maybe in pen paper, maybe you guys can do it well. You guys should do with me actually. Okay. Sorry, I mean, it is just the extrude part. It's not very correct, but try to keep all the lines, I mean, equivalent to each other. Okay, now see, so I have the side view which is this way. Okay, next I have these two rectangular. Now tell me this sort of view where I will be able to see. If this is the side view of it, if this is the side view, this sort of view, where I will be able to see.
Front or back?
Front.
Top, maybe.
So either I will be able to see from here or maybe from here, right?
Yeah.
Because it is just two floor, right? Now also guys, keep it clear that it is a multiple cubes. It is nothing but a unit. All are becoming together and fusing and creating a 3D object like this. So also we have to consider that unit, what is the matter with it. Now, if I see these two, it's again a combination of these, I mean two cubes, and at the same time again another two cubes. It's like a 4 cubes at the same time I am able to see, right? Hello? Just someone say yes.
Yeah, sir, we can see that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I mean, it's a combination of two cube here. That's why it is becoming a cuboid. Guys, don't look it as a 2D image, just 2D rectangular image. Imagine this as a cuboid, cube. I mean, it's a addition of two cubes. That's why it is becoming like that. So this sort of view, either it will look like this from here or it will look like this from here. Now, if I move to third image, okay, third image, if I see, it is again a length of 3 cubes. Yes, it is a length of 3 cubes. Okay, now if I go back to my first image again, this is my length of again same. I mean, these two sides, somewhere it is similar. Again, it has a 3 cubes at the same time. So what is the probability? What sort of view it is? Can you guys guess?
Top or bottom?
Side view?
No, not side view. Side view is this. We have
Top
to
or
consider
bottom,
because the moment, see,
Either top or
nothing
bottom.
is written here. When we start, we have to give a name. So I have given first view. We all have given first this view as a side view. Okay. Now, this is nothing but right or left. Correct. Now this is again equivalent to the first image, the length. Now what it is probably? Tell me.
Top or bottom?
Top or bottom, sir? I think it's top.
Yes, yes, correct. It could be top or bottom.
Bottom.
Fine. Yeah, I mean, we cannot guess right now. Let's assume it could be top or bottom. Either one of that. Now, come back to this image, the side view of it. Okay. Now, this is the side of it. What if I take this as a reference and let's draw and consider it as a top view, how it will look like? Can it look like this? Sorry about my drawing. Something like this, maybe. If I consider this as a top view, somewhere it is aligning, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Somewhere it is aligning. So that means, yes, I have to figure out another two sides where it is going to fit. So I have now clarity that, okay, I have top view and sort of side view. But this line, you see, it is not at all clear, because if it is in same plane, I won't be able to see the line. That is the rule. If it is in same plane, there should not be line. Now, what is the matter with this? Something is extruded towards you, or maybe something is inverted inside. That could be the two reasons. Either it is towards you, it is coming out towards you, or it is going inside. Okay. Now, we have another view. Now, it is again, it is a length of what? It is the length of 2 cubes. Okay. Now, remember the second option. Okay. Now, this is among any one of them, either right or left. Correct. So now we know this image. This is the L shape which is forming. This is the top view. Okay. So will I be able to get this sort of view from here if I look it from here? Tell me, will I get this view from here if I see?
Yes.
Yes,
Who
sir.
is saying yes? How?
From which side, sir?
From here, so this is my top view, right? This is my top view. Now, if I look it from here, this side, will I be able to see this view?
No,
Why?
No, sir.
Yes.
because there is this extruding part which is like a L. So there will be a line between the.
Correct, correct. So see, now let's go to the 3D one. Okay, I'll name it as 3D. Otherwise, you guys will lose track. So this is the 3D one. We are trying to make, this is not the correct one. We are trying to imagine cognitively. Fine. So this is nothing but the flat view of it, top view. So if I have to make this one, let's say this one. So it should look like this. The upper floor should look like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Correct? Correct. And this side is not here. I cannot see this sort of pattern in any one of these. Nowhere in top, nowhere in bottom. Okay. Now, what is the second face which we have the similar length? It is nothing but this one. Now there is a confusion that why it is tilted. So again, if you go back to that question, they are actually what they have done is they have used that option as clockwise as well as counterclockwise. So you have to figure out that where it is fitting in. Basically, this is the right view, but what they did is they have rotated it like that. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. But is it
So
clear
my
to all?
question, so
Yes, Shalini.
my question is that this is a MCQ type question, and we could only get 4 minutes hardly. So
Yes, you will get 4 minutes because right now you don't have. I think this is the first time you guys are facing this question, right? So either it will come this way or it will come for the 12-minute question. But that doesn't really matter. You have to understand the spatial knowledge of it. Okay, it
But
can
sir,
come under in any weightage. Yeah, tell me.
sir,
but I
if they
agree
would
with
have
her
given
that
if they would have given top which the picture is top view, which picture is side, or which picture is bottom, we could have easily made a
I know, yes.
but here we don't know.
Yes,
That's why
Correct.
we are taking time.
Yes, but still, I mean, this is one of the geometric problems which they give. I mean, which we get in this sort of syllabus, which falls under it. So right now, do not focus like what sort of question and timing we have. Right now, let's solve it. Okay. So in this, let me finish it. So in this practice, you will be having a jumbled of question. I mean, Pahal will be jumbling those question paper with different, with different weightage, just to understand what sort of capability we have to give a right answer. Right now, what is the question is we are unable to understand the question itself, and also even if you give 12 minutes, if you don't understand the question, still you won't be able to solve it. Correct or not? So I mean, that's a later case that, okay, what time we will be getting, that we will be fine tuning it later. Right now, things are very uncertain. We don't know what sort of pattern they will be giving, but we know that is the syllabus. Okay, so we should be able to answer it, right? Yes, Shashwat.
Sir, but I agree with her that she was telling, like the first question you told us that by seeing 2 or 3 options only we can sort out which should be the answer. So can you just after just explaining all these things that if there will be something like by which we can see and solve it in just 2 or 3 minutes, that okay, this option is the right one.
Okay.
Yeah, are there any tricks for it?
Is there any easy way to solve these types of questions, or else?
Let me finish this one. Okay, you will be having another paper which you will be facing the same kind of question. Okay, and let's see how you guys do and solve it, because right now I really don't want to make something tricky or something, because this is a cognitive question. Okay, this is your brain, that how you gonna solve it. Fine. What I have told you in the first question, that was not a trick. That is your attention that you have to pay. Guys, understand between tricks and attention. These are the attention which I have cast it. Okay, that's why somewhere it went fast. Okay, now you have to, I want you to answer all of them. It's okay, even if it is taking time, fine. Separately you solve, guys, so that you will be very acquainted of these sort of questions, these kind of patterns. Understand? Let's see, means in next paper, I'll try to give you guys some sort of similar question if possible. And let's see, even if you guys are able to do it or not, or if it is taking time, we will see how much time you guys are taking. That is very subjective. Don't worry about that right now. Okay, let's understand what is it. If you do not able to solve this side of problem, then I mean, again, they will give you some different object. Right now it is very cubes. What if they will give you some sort of wavy, some organic product or organic object? Then my trick will fail there. Are you guys getting? So that's the whole idea about it. Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, so this is the, so right now we are able to figure out that, okay, this is the view from this side. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay. Now, the last image, which we have this. So automatically, this is something image, some image, which will represent either bottom or the other side of the face. Okay. Now, let's redraw this thing a little bit more. So, I have a 3D diagram for you guys. So now, are you guys able to visualize it properly? See, I could have shown you this earlier, but you should know, you should understand how to create this from scratch. Okay, they might give you this 3D object directly, and they might give you 12 options that, okay, figure out 4 sides of it, 4 correct sides of it, or maybe the vice versa. Find just one object, find just the one side of it. Okay, observe it right now and give a look that, are you guys able to understand what is happening, what we have drawn?
So can you show all the 6 options?
I will do it. I'll place it right there. Okay, there was one good suspense which I have disclosed it, but anyways, we will continue with, we really don't have much time. Okay, so are you guys able to see?
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Tell
I had pictured such an image, but if you see from the right side, you will see 4 squares. If you see right side in a 2D view, you will see 4 squares.
No. Yes, I was about to disclose that. So see.
Because there was no option.
Okay, this right side you're talking about?
Yeah, sir. From the.
So this is one square. This is one square. Yes?
Yeah, sir.
And this is the whole square. Actually, they didn't clockwise.
So, but there will be joints in between.
No. Because this surface is very unique. I mean, this is merged in a way. I mean, it is a flat surface. There is nothing ups and downs. So here what I have is, if I delete this one, so this object is nothing but, I mean, this surface is nothing but this one, upper one. The below one is nothing but this. And this one, which you see, is a single body surface.
Okay, sir. First, I thought it considered that there are 2 objects placed one over the other.
No, it's good that you have. I mean, it's good that you are going through process. But like I was like through my process, I was getting a reverse one. Okay, but no, they didn't do the clockwise one. They did it in the right way only. This way only. The way we were doing front, top, side, the same way. Okay, so this is what our look will be having. We'll be having the look from your right side, and same on the left side we'll be having these structure. Okay, now are you guys able to guess what is it? how this structure is coming? See your paper, see your what you're drawing, check what will be the other side of it. So I will recreate this again here. Okay, so this is our side view. I mean the front view, sorry. Then this cube is nothing but this one. On top of it, I will be having this surface along with another cube. But this cube has, I mean, this is again a plane surface. So that means I will be having no lines on top of it. This is clear, guys? Now, if I see the object from here, I will be having square, which is nothing but this one on top, this top floor, okay. Then another one is the ground floor, which is this square. That is how it will look. And like I said, this is nothing but a same surface, because you see, you have an equivalent width. You see this and you see this, you have an equal width. Now, it will convert into a plane surface, which is this. Okay. Now, let's make the top view of it. Top view of it. So, from top view, we will be able to see this surface, which is again a combination of two cubes. Then again, due to this elevation, we will be having another line out of it. Now, this second one is nothing but this one, this width, and we have another cube which is from here, and it will go add up over here. Now, since you don't see any elevation on top surface, so this will become, it will merge itself. So we won't be able to see any line over here. So this is the view from top. Okay. Now we are done with right side, front side, top view. Now let's do the this one from the left. So from the left, we all know that we have these as a structure. Are you guys clear with this one, how it came? If I look it from that side.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
So for the front view, if we count, we can see two cubes side by side. But from the top view, when we see it from the top view, we can see three cubes per side by side.
1, 2, 3. That's what you're talking?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, and for the front view, it is two cubes. So, like, how is it possible?
Front view means this you're talking about?
No, this second one, the second image.
This
Yes.
you're talking about?
Yes.
So from here, if I look, this is the arrow. This is the front view, right, of this 3D cube.
Yes, sir.
So what I will be able to see is this square, which is this. Okay. Then this square, which is this. Because it is a flat view, orthographic view, everything will merge. Got it? Then this long cuboid, which is nothing but this. Are you able to follow?
Sir, if we see it according to the top view, then for the front view there should be another cube beside, beside the long, like the rectangle.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
So if we look according to the top view,
Okay.
the base part of the top view, we have 3 cubes, right?
This one?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, the below part we have 3 cubes if we see, but in the front view, first what
no,
we
this
have
is not
calculated.
3 cube. This is 2 cube. This is 2 cube. See, this is 2 cube. This is a combination of 2 cube. There is no 3 cube. In lengthwise, yes, we have 3 cubes. Are you getting? We have 2 cubes here. In lengthwise, we have 3 cubes.
So when we are placing it at the top of the the shape, the 3 cubes is at the front, right?
So 3 cubes is nothing but this view, which is nothing but this one. That's how it will look like. Is it clear?
Okay, yeah, okay.
Okay. So this is the front view which we have right now. From here, we have the, sorry, I'll remove this. Yeah. So this is nothing but the front view, from the right side view, which is it. This is nothing but the top view from on top, which you will be able to see. This is the another side view from here. From here, when you look, from here when you look, this is how it will look like. So these are the 4 sides which we have decoded yet. Okay. Now we have, so these are the options basically. So one which is given, another one, this is the top view. Okay, now this is the 4th view which we have solved it right now. Now this view, let's take it here. Okay, guys, can you tell me now where it will fit in? So we have only 2 options. Either it will go as a bottom,
The bottom one.
or it will go at the back side,
Bottom
or back.
Bottom.
Bottom, sir.
Bottom. Okay, let's say how. Because see, if I use this, like I know that, okay, this is my top view. I have it. Now, if I check this shape, which is again, okay, so here the cubes are a little bigger a bit. It is again a length of your 3 cube. Fine. But also at the same time, I have a width of 2 cube. So 2:3, that is the ratio we have. So this is the 2 cube, and where I will find it. So definitely I will be able to find this as a bottom. So that's how we will be able to detect whether it is right or not. Okay. Okay, guys. Now the question is this. This is the answer what we will be looking for, which is which is the back view. Basically, we are going to solve as a back view. Okay. So we have these all surfaces. Wait. I will make it equivalent. Okay, yeah. Now let's make the last view, which is the back view. So from back, if I able to see, so this is nothing but the same thing. It will look like a square. I'm assuming that it will be the same only. Then this cube will come. Okay. Right now we will merge it later, but right now we are just fusing all the cubes. Okay. So this is this cube from back. Then this one is the second one. Then we have another floor, which is top one. Okay. Now, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Done. Now this is one slight extension which we have, the another cube. This part. So where it will fit in? It will fit in somewhere here. Because from back, if we are visualizing, this is how it will look like. So from back, top floor, how the top floor will look like? Will it look like this or will it merge itself? Tell me.
So can you please repeat once?
What I was asking is, from back, if I'm seeing my cube, my 3D object, this 3D object from back, then the top floor, the top one, how it will look? This is the top floor. How it will look? It will look like this or it will look like that? Like this one.
It will not merge. Yeah,
So it will merge.
There will be a separation visible.
It merge.
Guys, look, this is the cube. You are looking from back side. This is one cube, this is another cube. Will it merge or will it separate?
Separate, sir.
Separate, sir.
Separate, sir.
Yes,
Separate.
it will separate because we have different heights, different surface.
It won't be merged.
Yes, correct. Good. So that is the idea. So this is correct. We are going correct. The first one is this. Now, tell me from the back, if I'm seeing the top cube, if I go to first floor and second floor, sorry, ground floor and first floor, and look it from behind, will it merge or will it create a partition?
We had partition, sir.
Be a partition.
How it will create partition? I mean, between two cubes, between these two, this will it create this kind of partition or not? Horizontal partition.
No. No, sir.
No.
Sir.
Yes.
No, sir. No, sir.
Because see, this is the line which is going. Okay. This is the line which is forming, and there is no disturbance in the line. That means the surface is very clear. So we will be having, we will be having merge over here. Got it? So this is the height of it. Now we are done with first thing, we are done with second thing. Now let's back to the last one, the extension one. Will I get this partition, this vertical partition or not? Or zero, or I'll get zero. I mean, or it will merge.
It
Will
will
merge,
merge.
sir.
Yes. Why?
Because
Why?
there is no depth created. Because there is no depth created over there.
Correct. Also for validation, what we have is this top view. Okay. This top view, it is merging. So we will be having This. So this is your answer, guys. This is the exact view you will be getting after solving. If you go this way from first image to last image, this is the view you will be getting. Now, what they have done is they have mirrored it. Sorry, they have rotated it, I guess. Okay, still your answer will be same. It's just they have written clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation of sixth view are acceptable, but a mirror image, okay, the mirror image is not the sixth side as view from inside the solid. Okay. So what will happen if we rotate it? It will like this. Okay. So what went wrong, guys? Tell me. I am making it clockwise, but still, I mean.
So no, it is the right figure. If you see your 3D view from what you can see at now from back side, it exactly looks like option B.
Yeah.
Correct. So basically what we were doing is we were solving it through mirror process. Okay, because we don't know how it will end up with. Like, we don't know. We are starting from very scratch, right? We are just randomly taking any sides and then we are starting to solve it. But if you see it, actually what happens, if you see your sketch, it will look exactly like this. Okay, it won't like this. It will end up like this basically. So that is what your answer is. Your 4 marks answer. Sorry, what is it? 10 marks answer in 4 minutes. Guys, any doubt now?
No, sir. I think we need to rejoin. Less than 1 minute left.
Okay, after that, I'll quickly go through other important question which is required. Okay, let's rejoin now only. Let's rejoin now. Let's leave all and let's rejoin now.